Hello, iHeart user. Welcome to the iHeart community. Now that you've received your device, let's begin discovering your inner mobility, all at your fingertip. And monitor changes in your heart rate and blood oxygen levels over time by conducting tests for 1, 3, 5, or 10 minutes. Step 1. Go to the App Store and download the iHeart Record app. Step 2. Once you've downloaded the app, click Sign Up and register your email. If you're an existing user, simply click Sign In. Step 3. To get the best user experience, let's create a unique profile. Click on Create a Profile and enter your name, birth date, and height. Step 4. After setting up your profile, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device. This will allow your oximeter to automatically pair with your mobile device. Once that's done, we're ready to move on to the exciting part. Step 5. On the home page, click on your name to get started and choose a testing duration of 1, 3, 5, or 10 minutes. And remember, do not skip any suggested rest periods to get the most accurate result. iHeart Record monitors your heart rate and blood oxygen saturation for different durations. The heart rate measurement shows the rise and fall of each breath, providing a visual representation of heart rate and breathing rhythm. You can add marks and comments during the recording to highlight specific information. This allows you to make note of any spikes in heart rate and keep a record of them. Step 6. Save the result. Click the report button below and send it to your email or a practitioner assisting you. Check your inbox, open the detailed report, follow the tips, and check if your heart rate is in a good state. Step 7. If you want to add more profiles for your clients or family, go to the Settings page and click Purchase Additional Profiles and choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Step 8. Encountering difficulties? No worries. Go to the Settings page, click Help, and type in your concerns. Alternatively, you can contact us at support@goiheart.com, and our team will assist you with any concerns you may have. We hope this tutorial has made your iHeart experience smooth and enjoyable. If you have any more questions, need further assistance, or just want to share your progress, feel free to reach out to us. For ongoing tips, updates, and a supportive community, visit our website and follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for choosing iHeart. Wishing you a healthy and long life ahead.